How are you? I hope you are well and good by the grace of Allah. Today, I will discuss with you about sentence. So, what is sentence? Sentence are fundamental building of language. Sentence are the fundamental building block of a language. So let's go to discuss about the definition of sentence. Sentence is a grammatical unit. Sentence is a grammatical unit composed of one or more words that express a complete thought. So now sentence has some characteristics. If I clear that, sentence has three characteristics. First of all, completeness of sentence, kind of order, and combination of words. I hope you have understood. Thank you.